The first operation of fractions is addition of a fraction. To add two fractions together, the denominator, or the number on the bottom of the fraction, needs to be the same. So if we have a look at this simple fraction here, 1/2 plus 2/5, the first thing that we notice is that the denominator is not the same. We need to find the lowest common denominator. To do that, we need to find a number that both 2 and 5 go into. Now the smallest one in this instance is 10. We can get that by multiplying 2 and 5 together. So we have to get the fractions in balance with 10 as the denominator. So if we have a look at the first one, 1/2. Now at the moment we have 2 as the denominator and we need to get it to 10. So we have to multiply that by the 5. That will give us the answer in tenths. Now we multiplied the bottom of the fraction by 5. So to keep the fraction in balance, we must multiply the top also by 5. This gives us 5/10. So 1/2 is equal to 5/10. They are all equal. So we've got one side of the equation sorted here. We know that it's going to be 5/10. We need to get 2/5 to be the same. To get 5 into a 10 as a denominator, we need to multiply it by 2. That will give us a 10th. And of course what we did to the bottom, we must also do to the top. So it will give us 4/10. Now you can see here that now we have the same denominator. So if we have the same denominator, the equation becomes much simpler. 5/10 and 4/10 equals. Of course our denominators are the same, so we do not add our denominators ever. So it will be tenths. We only ever add the numerators together. So if we add these two together, we come up with 9/10. So the answer in this instance would be 9/10. There is no way of simplifying that answer. So if we write it down in 1/2 plus 2/5, we know that the only way that we can do that is to find the common denominator, and we could give our answer as 9/10.